Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute, simple baby onesies that you can personalize with a name or any word you want. I am just using this tool here to find the center of the onesie. You can also just fold it in half and then the line will be the center. I printed out the name in the font that I want, and I am just going to hand draw this on. I am using a heat erasable marker. So I can color all over this onesie, and as soon as I put heat to it, all of the markings will disappear. Just looking at it from the front to make sure I got it all even, I want this E a little bit lower, so I'll just ignore the top line when I'm stitching. I usually use this water-soluble stabilizer and carbon transfer paper to do these onesies, but I wanted to try out this heat erasable marker. Because I'm not using the water-soluble stabilizer, I have to put stabilizer in the back. This just helps the thread from pulling like all the way through the fabric. Because clothing fabric is a little bit softer, sometimes the thread just kind of bunches up or goes through. The stabilizer helps to keep it stable. I'm putting the bottom of the hoop underneath the stabilizer so the stabilizer is close to the top of the fabric. You want to make sure everything is tight and smooth so that it doesn't get bunched up underneath the thread, and then it'll feel funny when you're wearing it. I am using 2 strands of thread doubled over to make 4. And I am just going to do a simple back stitch here, but I'm going to leave a little tiny space between each stitch. It just gives it a really cute look at the end. I'll show you once we erase the lines. It's kind of hard to see it because the thread is pink and the marker is pink, but you'll be able to see it well once we erase the marker. It's a little bit more tedious to leave the space in between each stitch just to make it look even. So it's not something you have to do. You can definitely just do a regular back stitch, but it just adds a little bit more to the name. And just continue stitching back and forth until you finish the name. Just putting a knot in the back to finish it off. Then I'm using a hairdryer to get rid of the pink marker. You can also use an iron, that would work too. Anything with pretty powerful heat will take away this marker. I do recommend testing it on any fabric that you're using first before you start coloring all over it. I just realized here that I forgot to dot the little J. Now I'm just going to cut away this excess stabilizer. I'm going to cut it close to the name so that we don't have any bunched up. Just making sure all the marker is erased. I should have just used an iron here because I have to iron the shirt anyway. But that is it. Easy, cute baby shower gift, Christmas gift for those little babies in your life.